हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन आर माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। ऑन वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे इंडिया स्टैंड ए क्रॉस रोड्स एंड मस्ट बैलेंस इट पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ। वी humans are now 8 billion and counting. That's correct. The world population is on an upward trajectory and at the growing rate. It, it was surpassed 10 million well before the turn of the century. This could be a difficult situation as it put enormous pressure on the Earth's limited sources. However, many other issues such as environment take precedence and the population does not get the attention it deserves. But the population bomb is tricking, and the sooner it is realized, the better. Every year on July 11, World Population Day serve as a global reminder of the pressing issue related to population, ranging from pop overpopulation and reproductive health to gender equality and sustainable development. Initiated by the United Nations in 1989, World Population Day is a stark reminder of a critical interplay between population and social economic order and its impact on environment. Some countries are already facing the strain of rapid population growth, while others are contending with aging population and shrinking workforce. Among them, India occupies a unique and complex position. India's population has surpassed 1.4 billion people. 4 billion. This immense demographic presence is both the potential strength and a looming challenge. On one hand, a large young population, over 50% under the age of 30, offers a huge workforce. On the other hand, the country must address employment gap and reproductive health inequities. Though in recent decades there has been a steep decline in India's fertility rates, the situation is still under manageable. The national total fertility rate has fallen from more than 5 children per woman in 1970s to around 2.0 as of the latest National Family Health Survey. This figure is now close the replacement level fertility of 2.1, which is required to maintain a stable population in the long term. However, there is the sharp regional differences. Southern states such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh have already gone well below the replacement rate, while the northern and central states like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh continue to record higher fertility rate, reflecting deeper issues from poverty, literacy, and limited access to health care. Another concern lies in the gap between the total fertility rate and the total wanted fertility rate. which reflects the number of children women desire to have. This indicates a significant incidence of unintended pregnancies and highlights precedent shortcomings in access for family planning, cooperative choice, cooperative choices, and reproductive rights. India's challenge also lie in ensuring that its growing population find productive engagement. The country add over 10 million people to have working age population each year. However, job creation has not kept pace with this surge, resulting in growing unemployment. The demographic divide becomes a liability of skill development and employment generation are not adequately prioritized. Education, particularly of a girl, is perhaps the most transformative tool in my